Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Plug the power brick into the console and wall, then connect HDMI to your TV. Once done, attach any accessories like Connect or an external drive via USB. Make sure your controller has batteries or is charged. Press the Xbox guide button to sync it. Next, change your TV input to the HDMI port you used and press the console power button. If the system boots to the dashboard, you've completed the initial physical setup and can move on. You should sign in with your Microsoft account or create one so your profile, purchases, and achievements sync. Then connect the console to the internet. Choose Wi-Fi or plug an Ethernet cable for stability and run the network test in settings to confirm connectivity. Make sure the console installs any system updates before launching games. This avoids errors later. If you need more space, connect a compatible 1 TB or larger external drive and format it for games. You're at the finish line. Open My Games and Apps and launch the game you installed or inserted. Make sure any required updates complete. If a game won't start, check storage and clear pending downloads. While the game loads, adjust audio, display ratio, and controller sensitivity in settings so gameplay feels right. Save your profile and enable cloud saves for safety. If you run into issues, perform a full power cycle by holding the power button 10 seconds, unplugging for 30 seconds, then restarting. This clears many common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.